just shake, it magically restores. You see the invisible corner? Create a magic lava lamp. Oh! The humanity!
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 7 crazy magic tricks revealed. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. Here's an amazing DIY trick that you can do at home. So all you need are some Oreos. You take one of them and you're gonna open it up just like this. Now you're gonna take the cream on the inside of the Oreo and eat it. Now once the cream's gone from inside, watch, you take it, and all you have to do is give it a wave like this. And the cream magically restores. Now you can eat it all over again. Okay, Sasha, I have a cool trick to show you with this plastic bag. You can see there's nothing inside it, right? Empty? Yeah? I just want you to humor me here and grab an invisible ball out of the air, toss it in the bag. Got the invisible ball, just toss it in. Try one more.
Okay.
Grab it, toss it in. See the invisible ball?
See the invisible ball.
Alright, just grab one more, toss it. Inside. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, watch this pen. I have a really cool trick to show you. I'm actually going to draw a line on my face. Check this out. Just like that, it magically disappears. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'll teach you how it's done. Got my morning cup of coffee here. I just need something to stir it up with. Luckily, I have a spoon here. Hey, come here real quick. I have a trick to show you.
Okay.
Check it out. It's a flower. You remember this trick?
Yes.
You do? I showed it to you years ago. So you have the flower like this, and then if you just give it the magical motion. Or flower, or walk away of blue. Goes right back to normal. Check this out, if I just grab the card by the corner right here, I can actually hold it by the invisible corner and it just kind of floats right there above my hand. So weird. You see the invisible corner? Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to learn the secret to creating an invisible corner on one of your playing cards. Okay, watch the cup. And just like that, you create a magic lava lamp. So cool looking. Go up, down, up, down. It's mesmerizing. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to teach you how to set this up at home. All right, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal the secrets. The secrets to these tricks are extremely simple, and I'll teach you how they're done right now. Okay, here is the secret to the magic Oreo trick. So you don't need any special apparatus for this whatsoever. It's a do-it-yourself trick. All you need is an Oreo cookie. So you're gonna start by taking the cookie and splitting it so that the cream only remains on one side. Now here's the key to the trick. When you go to eat the cream from inside the cookie, you're actually only going to eat half of it. So once you eat it, you're not going to show this side of the cookie to the audience. You're immediately going to take the other half, put it back on top, and as you can see, if you hold this side down, it looks like there's no cream in the cookie when you view it from this angle. Now, all you have to do to make it look like the cream magically refills is just rotate the cookie around until you're showing the other side. Now, you want to cover the movement of you rotating it by giving your hand a shake or a wave like this, so that when you wave it back and forth, you can't see that motion of you spinning the cookie. You can then take it, turn it towards you as you split it open, and act like you eat the cream once again, and then eat the whole cookie. A tasty trick that you can do at home in a moment's notice. Here is the secret to magically tossing an invisible ball into the bag. All you need for this is a grocery bag. You can use any grocery bag, plastic or paper, it doesn't matter. And you're gonna hold it by this end right here, and you're gonna hide these fingers tucked right up under like this. They're gonna do all the work. You're just gonna tuck them up just like this, and you're gonna make this little movement. Let me show you a cutaway. My fingers are just going. So with the timing of when they throw their invisible ball at the bag, you're just popping the fingers on your hand, and it really looks like the bag has a ball thrown into it. Grab one out of the air. Easy DIY trick that you can do at home. Try it out. Here is the secret to the magic disappearing mark on your face trick. The secret is all found in this pen right here. So you can use this to make it look like you draw a line on a piece of paper or on your skin, and all you have to do is let go and it snaps back into the pen. So you hold this little ball right here in your lip or in your teeth, and then as you pull the pen, there is a hidden piece of string inside. It's a little elastic string that just comes from inside the body of the pen, and then when you let go, it snaps back to position. So you can draw a line on the table and then make it disappear. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win the magic disappearing line pen. Okay, here is the secret to the magic spoon flip trick. All you do is line up 2 spoons or a fork and a spoon. And you're gonna line them up like this. You're gonna take the end of one of them and sit the other right on top, just like that. Then the mug, the cup that you're gonna have it go into, goes right in front of it just like this. Couple inches in front. All you have to do is hit this side of the spoon or fork, and it will spring the spoon on this side up, and it'll flip into the cup. And it doesn't work every time. You're gonna have to practice it a little bit. You just wanna make sure you do it nice and easy. Oh! The humanity!
That was not nice and easy.
Mug number 2. Here is the secret to the magic wilting flower trick. This is our new merch drop for Evanera TV. New merch dropping every Friday, and this is this Friday's launch. This is a classic magic trick. I've shown this in a video before, but this is a super easy trick that anyone can do. It requires no sleight of hand skills whatsoever. Get yours now at EvaneraTV.com. It comes with everything you need. This high quality magic prop. It will last you for thousands of performances. Down here at the bottom, it has a little ring, and you're going to slip your finger inside it so that your hand conceals it just like that. Built into the wilting flower is a hidden string right here. You can see it's a little piece of green thread. It runs right down the length of the flower, and when you pull on the little ring on the bottom, it creates tension on the flower and makes it bend right in the middle and look like it's just magically wilting, and it's completely under your control the entire time, so you can really create the effect of making it look like the flower wilts. You can then add a little light or a little spritz of water and make it pop back to normal. So again, this is super easy to do. It's the perfect gift for a beginner magician or anyone who loves magic. Great thing to add to your routine. Head over to EvaneraTV.com and pick one up today in time for the holidays, and you can perform it yourself. And that is the magic wilting flower. Okay, here's the secret to the magic invisible corner of the card trick. You're going to need some wire, and it needs to be pretty thick, and you're going to need a length of it about 1 foot long. You're going to then bend one end of it around one of your fingers. It works best around the pinky finger because that's the easiest to conceal. So one end of it wraps around the pinky finger just like this, and you want kind of a bend like this, a little U shape, because your other hand is going to go right here. Now the other end of the wire is going to get taped in place on the back of the playing card. Now we're going to tear off this corner right here because that's where we're going to be holding it from. So this is what we're set up with here. Now once you've got this set up attached to this hand, your other hand is going to slide in to cover the wire from the audience's view, to where now it looks like you are holding the invisible corner of a playing card. It looks like it is floating in air, or as if the corner of it is just somehow invisible. Try that at home. First things first, you're going to need a cup or a glass, preferably a see-through one so you can see what's going on inside. Next, you're going to add some cooking oil to the cup. Then the next thing you're going to need is some food coloring and some water. Mix the two together in a separate cup and gently pour it through the oil to the bottom of the cup. The last thing you're going to need is an Alka-Seltzer tablet. Now all you have to do is take the tablet and drop it in. And just like that, you create a magic lava lamp. As you can see, as the Alka-Seltzer mixes with the blue liquid at the bottom, that water rises up to the top. It's forming carbon dioxide bubbles, which are lighter and less dense than the oil. So as they rise up and those bubbles pop, the water then begins to fall back down. And it just repeats that process as those bubbles pop. So cool. So yeah, grab some cooking oil and some water, some food coloring, a couple Alka-Seltzer tablets, and try it out at home. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. If you take the time to share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, or your YouTube, I really appreciate that. Helps our videos reach more people and the channel get more subscribers and help grow our magic community. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. Also, be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com. We are dropping new merch every Friday until Christmas, including today. There's a new merch drop. Go to EvanEraTV.com and check it out. Order now and get your stuff in time for the holidays. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. I'm giving away the magic pen mark on the face trick and 7 wilting flowers to lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you gotta do to win, leave a comment on the video or hit the thumbs up button. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.